Today's topic is subtraction of fractions. Now first we're going to learn how to subtract like fractions. Like fractions are the fractions that have the same denominator. So we will choose a like fraction subtraction. For an example, number 2, 7 by 12 and 3 by 12. Here the denominators are 12, the same thing. So we are going to draw a long line, write 12 and simply subtract the numerator. The denominator will remain the same. So 7 minus 3 is 4 and it will remain 12. Now we will see if it can be reduced. Yes, it is possible. That is 4 divided by 4 is 1 and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So my answer is 1 by 3. Always remember, right, we have to find out the answer in the reduced form or in mixed fraction if the question is in improper fraction. Now moving on, we are going to learn how to subtract unlike fractions. For unlike fraction, let's choose 5 by 9 and 7 by 18 maybe. So 5 by 9 minus 7 by 18. Now, we have to find the LCM of 9 and 18. And as I told you, there's a simple method to find out LCM orally. That is, spot the smaller number, that is 9. If there is any number by which if we multiply the smaller number we get the greater number, then the greater number will be my LCM. Like in this case, 9 into 2 is 18. So 18, that is the greater number, will be my LCM. You can also try it and see the answer is correct. See, 9 and 18 divide by 3, you get 3, you get 6, again by 3 you get 1 and you get 2. So 3 into 3, 9, 9 2 is 18. So this is just for proving you I have done it. So so this is a trick in which you can find it orally without really working it out. Now the step that we followed in case of addition, we are going to repeat it here as well. 9 into 2 is 18, so multiply the numerator with 2. 5 into 2 minus 18 into 1, so 7 into 1. Now 5 into 2 is 10 minus 7 ones is 7 by 18. So 10 minus 7 is 3 and we get 18. Again, it is possible for us to reduce the number. 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 18 divided by 3 is 6. So my answer is 1 by 6 in the reduced form. Now we are going to move on to another question. That is, we can go for this. Number 15. 3 1 by 6, 1 5 by 8. 3 1 by 6 minus 1 5 by 8. Now here, first step, convert the given number into an improper fraction. We can't subtract mixed fractions. So the first step is 3 into 6, 18 plus 1, 19. So first fraction will be written as 19 by 6 minus. Next, 1 into 8, 8 plus 5, 13. So next will be written as 13 by 8. Now solve it as we solve an improper fractions and how we subtract unlike fractions, that is find the LCM of 6 and 8. Smaller fraction is, the smaller number is 6, but we cannot multiply 6 with any number and we do not get 8, so that means we need to work it out and find out its LCM. So let's do it. It's 6 and 8. With 2 it becomes 3 and 4. It will not go further, so 2 into 3, 6 into 4, 24 becomes my LCM. Now we are going to use this LCM here, 24. Now see, we are going to do a calculation. Remember, do not write these things that I'm writing here with blue color. It's just for explanation purpose. If you want, you can do it in rough or using a pencil and remove and erase it later on. So now 6 into 4 is 24. So we multiply the numerator with 4. So we're going to write 19 into 4 here, minus 8 into 3 is 24, so multiply the same with the numerator, we get 13 into 3. Now we are going to simply multiply the numbers. 19 into 4, we get 76 minus 13 into 3, easy, we know it's 39 by 24. Now simply 76 minus 39, we get 37 by 24. Now see, it is not a proper fraction, rather it is not possible for us to reduce the number any further, so we are going to convert it into a mixed fraction because it is an improper fraction. So 37 divided by 24, so with 1 we get 24, 3 and 1. So it becomes 113 by 24. Answer. Moving on, we're going to do another sum like 615 by 9. 6 minus 15 by 9. Here, we have got 6 and we have got 1. There are two ways in which we can do it. I'll show you both. The first way that we have is, always remember 6 means it is 6 by 1. Minus, convert it into improper fraction. That is 9 into 1, 9 plus 5. 14. So 14 by 9. LCM of 1 and 9 will be obviously 9. So we write 9. Now cross multiply, that is, we know 1 into 9 is 9, so multiply the same with the numerator, we get 6 into 9 minus, here 9 into 1 is 9, so 14 into 1, so it's the same number basically. Now 6 into 9, 54 minus 14 ones are 14 by 9. 54 minus 14, we get 40 by 9. Not possible for us to divide it further. So 40 by 9. 9 into 4 is 36 and we get 4. So my answer will be 4. That is this. 4 by 9. So 4 by 9. There is also one more method, that is simply, here there is 6 minus 1 5 by 9. So subtract the whole numbers first. 6 and 1. If you subtract, you're left with only 5, and from 5 you try and subtract 5 by 9. So you get 4 by 9.